already ended there. It ends there. Right. Wow. So others with lots, with farms, they earn a lot by farming, right?
Well, they have beef cows. Some people have crops. You know, the
Here.
crop farmers.
You will earn through the logging activities, the logs.
Well, if I wanted to, but I don't do that.
Okay.
I want to really get beef